In this video, we are going to see how to work with Scratch. So Scratch is available in this website https://scratch.mit.edu. So it is a playway software for learning programming, especially for children, and it has been developed by MIT University. So let us go to this website. So when I load this website, there will be a button called Start Creating in the left side. I am clicking that button, and now a new project is getting created. So at the center, tutorials dialog box will be there. I am closing that dialog box. Now this is the starting screen of Scratch, and in the left hand side we have 3 tabs: code, costume and sounds, and the central part is the coding part where we will do the coding, and right hand side a cat is there, that is the workspace. File, new, menu option is there. By using that option we will create a new project. So this code section has many options, costume section has some options, and sound section has some options. And below that cat is called as sprite. In terms of Scratch, we will call that as sprite, and below that we have the properties of sprite, name of sprite, XY position and all. And by default this cat will be loaded as a default sprite. And we can adjust the central part. That central part is called as workspace area by using the button present in the right hand side. I can adjust the size. Now coming to the code section, there are options like motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks. So we will see each one of them in detail. First I am choosing the 4th option, event. I am choosing the first sub block in that, when green flag clicked. So you can see the green flag there above in the top. Green flag means go, and red stopper button, it means stop. You can see the tooltip when I keep the mouse over that green flag and red stopper button. So green flag, it means we are running the program, and stop button, we are stopping the program. So when green flag clicked, I can bring some blocks under this. So for example, I am going to that motion option, and I am taking move 10 steps block, and I am putting it below that when green flag clicked, and I am changing the value to move 100 steps. So when green flag clicked, this cat should move 100 steps. I am checking it by clicking the green flag. So it has moved 100 steps. So I can move the cat again back, and I can make it move 100 steps by clicking the green flag. Now I am deleting that block, and I am going to the second option, looks. In that the first block is say hello for 2 seconds. So when I click the green flag, when green flag clicked, say hello for 2 seconds. So now I am clicking the green flag. It is saying hello for 2 seconds and then it is disappearing. Again I am clicking, hello is appearing for 2 seconds and disappearing. I am deleting this look block, say hello block. Now going to sound option. First block is play sound meow until done. So when green flag is clicked, it will say meow. So let us check that by clicking the green flag. It is shouting meow. It is playing that sound. I am deleting that sound block. And events, we have used that when green flag clicked. Control. So this is used mainly during programming. So let us take an example in that control block. Second block, repeat 10 times. So when green flag is clicked, it is going to repeat 10 times. So what to repeat? Turn 15 degrees. So it will turn 15 degrees 10 times. So that is what it is doing. Now I am taking that turn 15 degrees outside. I am deleting that repeat 10 times block. Now it is turning only 15 degrees. So earlier it was 10 times 15 degrees. I am deleting that block. Going to this sensing option. I am deleting when green flag clicked true. And in sensing, the first block is touching mouse pointer question mark. So when I click that option mouse pointer, edge is coming. So now touching edge question mark. So this will return a true or false value. So when I click question mark now, it will give the answer as false because the sprite cat is not touching any edge. Now I am keeping it touching an edge. I am clicking the question mark again. It is returning true. So in this way it will return true or false based on whether it is touching the edge or not. Now I am keeping it in the center. Again it is saying touching edge is false. I am keeping it touching the bottom edge. Now it is saying true. So this way we will use these blocks during programming. Operators, next coding section. So arithmetic operators, plus, minus, star, slash, relational operator, greater than, less than, equal to, logical operator, and or not, and other operators are present here. Next, variables. So variable is used to store a value. For example, a equal to 5 or distance equal to 5. It means distance is the variable and 5 is the value of that distance. So these are some advanced concept. And my blocks, here by using this option I can save the blocks which I have created under my blocks using my own name. Now we will go to the second tab, costumes. So this loads the character or sprite cat. I can change the appearance of that cat. Now I can change the mouth color or eye color or tail tip color. All those things I can change. And this second tab, when I click sprite, it will be named as costumes. When I click this backdrop in the stage, it will be named as backdrop. So I can even change the appearance of backdrop by using the same tab by clicking the backdrop. So now I can choose a new sprite by using this choose sprite button. Many other sprites are available. Similarly, I can choose a backdrop too. Now I am changing that backdrop to baseball backdrop. So I can even delete that if I am not needed of that. And third tab is sounds. So here this pop sound, I can make it faster, slower, louder, softer. All those options are available. And I can even choose a new sound. So many sounds are available. I can choose a new sound also. And thus we have seen code, backdrop, sound, all the three tabs. And in the right hand side we have seen what is that green flag and red color stop button, what is the sprite we are using. So all these things are the fundamental things which we need to know. Thank you.